Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you today. We're going to be taking a look at two different articles that are going over some of the alts that may be rallying here in the near-term future, and then we're going to take a look at the chart, see what's going on over there with our indicator market cipher. And yeah, with that being said, let's see what we got here. So our first two articles, we got the world's largest crypto fund manager is offering new trusts that invest in 5 different cryptocurrencies. So let's take a look and see what 5 different cryptocurrencies that may be. And then also, is now the time to buy Cardano, Filecoin, Interpedia, Kyber, Bitcoin current or network cryptocurrencies? We're going to take a look and see what might be going on with those cryptocurrencies too as well. And without further ado, let's go ahead and cue that intro and get started. Alright folks, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every single video that we make on this channel each and every single day as the crypto markets continue to rally into 2021. And so we're going to take a look and see what we got here in these articles as of right now. The world's largest crypto fund manager is offering new trusts in 5 different cryptocurrencies. Grayscale Investments is offering new trusts that invest in 5 different cryptocurrencies. The new trust will invest in basic attention and Decentraland tokens, Chainlink, Filecoin, and Liverpeer. Investor demand for digital currencies have never been higher. Grayscale CEO Michael Shohin said, let's see. All right, so yeah, obviously, you know, the demand is out there, and so is the demand for some of these altcoins too as well. Digital currency asset manager Grayscale Investments announced Wednesday that it is offering 5 new investment trusts, bringing the single asset lineup to 13. The new trusts are launching into fairly niche segments of the crypto space, with 3 investing in Chainlink, Filecoin, Liverpeer, which are blockchain-based digital payment systems. I'm not too sure about Liverpeer and Filecoin. I mean, I know a little bit about Filecoin. Chainlink, obviously, a lot of people talk about Chainlink. It's probably one of the more bullish coins that you may be wanting to keep an eye on. One will invest in Ethereum-based basic attention tokens, while the 5th will hold coins in a virtual reality platform, Decentraland. And this is basically just a big NFT play, is Decentraland, which is, I believe, Mana, the ticker symbol. And then also basic attention token is the browser that most cryptocurrency enthusiasts use too as well. These trusts are among the first of their kind to solely invest in digital currencies underlying each investment product. Digital currencies have reached an inflection point, Grayscale CEO Michael Shohin said in a statement. Investor demand has never been higher, and every day we're seeing new entrants to what surely become a bona fide asset class. Grayscale said all 5 trusts are open for subscription by eligible individuals and institutional accredited investors. The decision to launch them was based on an assessment of investor demand and integrity of each cryptocurrency. Shohan told Bloomberg in an interview the asset manager's biggest product is still its 34 billion Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. The new cryptocurrency it has chosen have much smaller market values in comparison to Bitcoin. Basic attention tokens are known to track customers' time and real attention on websites, and the goal of understanding how effectively distribute advertising money. Chainlink runs on Ethereum blockchain, which is technology that enables delivery to price feeds into decentralized finance applications. Filecoin is a storage service provides that enables anyone to rent spare storage in their computer, creating a huge source of data storage. Liverpeer is decentralized video streaming network for those who wish to add live or in-demand video in their networks. Meanwhile, Decentraland tokens can be used to buy up virtual plots of land and goods and services within a virtual reality space. Grayscale said it plans to continue a tradition of creating novel pathways for investors to access the opportunities that digital currencies may offer. Yeah, so obviously I don't know about the Liverpeer play. And basic attention tokens been around for a little while too as well. Filecoin, you know, I mean, I feel pretty neutral on those. Obviously, you know, Chainlink has been around for a little bit longer. It has proven itself with its price action too as well. So maybe some altcoins that you might want to take a look at there too as well. But let's jump over into our next article, see what's going on over there. Obviously, some of these accredited investors are looking at altcoins now, not just Bitcoin, right? And so now is the time to buy Cardano, Filecoin, Everpedia, Kyber network cryptocurrencies, ? Let's see what's going on over here. So a pack of cryptocurrencies has gained momentum surpassed by desperate factors over the last week. It is now time to buy Cardano, Filecoin, Everpedia, and Kyber network. ADA, the native cryptocurrency of Cardano network, will begin trading on Coinbase Pro starting Thursday. Inbound transfers were allowed earlier on Wednesday. ADA has rallied 23.81% on a 7-day trailing basis. At press time, the cryptocurrency was trading about 14.85% higher at $1.41. And so, yeah, this is based on the Coinbase listing here. Obviously just being listed on Coinbase Pro, but maybe being listed on the regular Coinbase for retail investors as well. Starting today, inbound transfers for ADA are now available in the regions where trading is supported. Traders cannot place orders and no orders will be filled. Trading will begin after 9 a.m. on Thursday, March 18th, if liquidity conditions are met. Cardano has returned 687% over the year-to-date basis, beating 102% returns garnered by Bitcoin in the same period. The Apex cryptocurrency by market cap traded 5% higher at a $58,000 press time. Okay, so, and then Filecoin, let's see what's going on with Filecoin. The native token and file ecosystem is likely buoyed by two separate developments. Filecoin reached 2.5 exabytes of storage capacity, according to Colin Aaron, a ecosystem led in Filecoin Telegraph reported. This is important because Filecoin is peer-to-peer network geared towards file storage. Another development in Grayscale Investments offering 5 new trust offerings, one of which is a trust underpinned by Filecoin. The cryptocurrency has risen 97% in the 7-day trailing period. File traded 32% higher at $84 at press time. So this obviously was pumping because of the Grayscale investments, the Grayscale trust investments getting in on this too as well. Offering new trusts to invest specifically in 5 different cryptocurrencies. Yeah, BAT, Link, Manafile, and Liver Peer. On Wednesday, a publicly listed company in China said it has signed a purchasing contract to Samsung, an electrics component manufacturer, to buy RMB worth of, or this many RMB worth of file miners. The block reported Filecoin has risen in 246% in the last year. And then we have Everpedia. Let's see what's going on with Everpedia, which claims to be the world's largest decentralized encyclopedia, uses the IQ token. The token got a boost from the current non-fungible token frenzy after the Associated Press announced March 3rd that it was auctioning an NFT of news-related art item where it would call the 2020 presidential election. AP created a published NFT on Ethereum blockchain and used an ETH address to call the winner of each state in the 2020 presidential election on Ethereum using Everpedia's Oracle software. According to NFT's OpenSea listing, IQ token has gained 113% over a 7-day window. The token traded 2% lower at 2 cents at press time. The Associated Press is auctioning off their NFT artwork in OpenSea to commemorate calling the 2020 presidential election on the blockchain. In the future, every historic event will be called an on-chain and archived within NFTs. Very interesting. Okay, so IQ has soared 500% in year-to-day basis. In the same period, ETH has returned 104% and the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Okay, moving on to Kyber Network. So I just find that interesting, in the fact that Everpedia did say down here, in the future, every historic event will be called on-chain and archived with NFTs. And so you will be able to buy these events, I'm assuming, through NFTs as well, which would be relatively interesting. And I think that it's definitely creating an even bigger buzz around the NFT craze too as well. And so we have Kyber Network, on-chain liquidity pool. Kyber Network is gearing up to release Kyber 3.0, which will add new governance features and counteracting the new higher fees seen on Ethereum network. The update is slated to transition Kyber from a single protocol to a hub of purpose-driven liquidity protocols catered to various DeFi use cases. KNC has shot up 51% in the 7-day trailing period. The coin of Kyber Network traded at 38% higher at $3 at press time. We're excited to announce Kyber 3.0, transitioning Kyber from a single protocol to a hub purpose-driven liquidity protocols catering to various DeFi use cases. This is the biggest change in Kyber's architecture and DMM and KNC migration proposal. Very interesting. So obviously trying to reduce fees on the Ethereum network, it looks like. And yeah, we'll see how that goes for Kyber Network. So some interesting articles there on some altcoins that maybe you want to take a look at in the near term future, probably relatively soon, because we do know that a lot of these coins like to pump like right when the news is released too as well. So obviously Cardano has been on a lot of people's radar. It's been on our radar too as well. I signaled to our trading group about this as well too, and I do believe that one of our members did take a nice little move here with this as well. If we are to take a look at our profit logs here on our Discord server, you can see that one of our members, Vinhas, took Cardano and got a nice little % gain there after one of the calls that I made inside of our private trading group. So folks, if y'all are interested in joining us over there, don't forget, if you want to pay with debit or credit card, you can join us through Patreon. If you want to pay with crypto, message me on Discord and I'll get you all set up inside of our private trading group. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get over into the chart, see what's going on over there. All right, folks, so taking a look at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin's hovering right at about $57,000, right underneath $58,000. This has been our previous resistance level for us. As you can see here, if we zoom in on our candlestick patterns, we are starting to see somewhat of a little bit of resistance at the $58,000 level. We want to probably get a close above this on our daily chart here too as well. You can see our daily chart did come all the way down to retest the 21 EMA, and then we got the bounce off the 21 EMA, and it looks like we are finding a little bit of a support line down here as well that holds us all the way back when we were hovering right at about the $30,000 level or so. So we want to make sure that we probably hold that support line. If we end up breaking below that support line, it's probably going to end up to be a little bit more of a bearish day for Bitcoin too as well. But our 21 EMA has been holding nice support there on our daily chart, and now we're getting a bounce off of that. We want to probably see our TI sequential turn into a green number count here. And we probably also want to see market Cipher B give us a green dot down here on the daily. So let's kind of zoom in just a tad bit here. Let's take a look at the 8-hour chart, see what's happening here. 8-hour chart, what we can see here is our market Cipher B. We are getting a green dot down here with a little bit of a bullish divergence that is probably going to make its way up to the upside here, getting past our zero pivot point, relatively bullish, but still finding some resistance here at the $58,000 level. You can see that our candle hasn't quite closed above our previous candle yet, so we're still finding a little bit of resistance at this $58,000 level. I think that more than likely we'll kind of trend out sideways here, get rid of a lot of these sell orders, possible sell wall that is accumulating right above us at this $58,000 $60,000 level, and then maybe make a move up from there. Money flow still on our higher time frames, such as our daily and our 12-hour, still looks relatively good. You can see that we've started to trickle off just a tad bit here, not much, obviously. You know, even though we're still in our green money flow, we're probably still going to get some substantial pumps, and we're looking for probably another big move with Bitcoin once we take out these sell walls at about $58,000 to $60,000 or so here in the near term future. Taking a look at the 8-hour chart, let's go into the 4-hour. Let's take a look at the 4-hour charts here, see what's going on. Market God has given us a buy signal on our 4-hour chart to pump us all the way up to $58,000. We called $58,000 in our previous video yesterday, so y'all can take a look at that and see exactly what we were calling for. And so far we've gotten buy signals all the way up until, you know, our 12-hour chart, which is relatively bullish for the most part. You know, taking a look at the 4-hour though, it does look like we are going to kind of trend sideways for the most part here. I am looking for probably a little bit more of a sell wall at about the $60,000, $58,000 level, maybe bouncing off of the 21 EMA here on the 4-hour chart, and then maybe making a bounce up from there. So a little bit of resistance overhead for us as of right now with Bitcoin. We probably want to take out some of these sell orders first, and then you know, probably continue up a little bit higher. But we're going to be taking a close eye, a look at some of the alts too as well. We'll jump over into the alt market here and see what's happening with our total coin market cap too as well. I would say right now it's probably going to be a relatively pick of the draw when it comes to some of these alts such as Cardano. We're looking for the bullish news to give us the heads up of when some of these alts are going to be pumping. So right now our total coin market cap too, which excludes Bitcoin, it really is kind of just looking pretty much the same way as Bitcoin is right now, finding some resistance at this overhead peak right here at about $679 billion. So I do think that we're going to probably need to take out some more of these sell walls, even in the altcoin market caps too as well. And then once we get above this is going to probably drive us up a little bit higher. But obviously still seeing some rejection at some of our previous highs here on Bitcoin and our altcoins too as well. So what I'm going to be doing is keeping our paid for members up to date with what we think and the news articles that are going to be posted with our altcoins, getting in on those gems that will continue to drive those altcoins a little bit higher for the most part. But for right now, for Bitcoin, we're looking at a little bit of resistance at the $58,000 level into the $60,000 level, and let's see if we can take out some of these sell walls to make it into our purple box up here. So that's yet to be determined, but folks, stay tuned with us each and every single day on our videos here that we create through the bull market rally of 2021. And yeah, I look forward to seeing y'all on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every single video that we make on this channel each and every single day. And with that being said, I will see you on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.